I'm now on the main square of Lipari. Canadese. Sì. And this is a view of the castle here. Un momento, per favore, solamente un momento. This is a 360-degree view of this gorgeous place, which I'm gonna continue to explore in this direction. This is now a view from the top or the tip of Lipari. Ooh, look at that. I don't know if you can see it. There's a warplane flying extremely low. Very, very interesting. At any rate, we have the island of Salina here, where we were a few days ago. In the back here is Alicudi. The landscape around here, which is all terraced, it's beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. Wildflowers all over the place. Our little car in the background. And the tiny little church. Fresh fish. Fresh fish in canetto. Ciaule, ciaule, beautiful blue fish, my god, cicirella, molto bene. This little town that we're in right now, we're going to go for a drive with Pasquale. The little town of Canetto on the island of Lipari. Now it's Friday, May 11th, 10:15, and we're at the top of Vulcano. Here's our group here. A half-naked priest. We love it, he's great. The entire group, Agnieszka, Francesco II, Ediberti, Il Prete San Lorenzo, and Claudia, also known as Karin.
Gypsy kids.
And myself.
Yeah.
I had two.
We're having a ton of fun here. And on a good day, you can see all 6 other islands. Back here is Stromboli, Panarea. Below us, Vulcano, Vulcancello. Back here in the center, Lipari. And in the back, the 2 twin peaks of Salina. Over here is the island of Alicudi. And back here somewhere where you can't see it is Filicudi. Wonderful. We're having a lot of fun here. He's nuts. He's so much fun. We're having a great time.
Okay. Yeah, it's a camera, I'm afraid.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay. You can't see a thing through that thing. Thank you.
There we go. Now, apparently, we've caught a fish.
Maybe a marine.
There's huge excitement going on here. Let's see what is going on here.
How did you know?
Apparently, there's a tuna or something like that. I don't know. Oh, here.
That's not going to feed all of us.
Oh, that's... Look at that fish. Can you see it?
Questo è per Davide.
Oh.
Oh, un tonno. È tonno, vero?
Sì.
Doch, das ist ein tonno, das ist ein twinkle tonno. Ja, das ist ein Thunfisch.
Tuna. Flapping around right here.
Das ist ein Thunfisch.
Yeah. Oh, the poor thing. Oh. Okay. Well, it was pretty anyway. Yeah. Okay. See? Dolphin right here. Coming up. My God, this is incredible. Swimming right underneath the water. Coming up here. Coming here, playing with us. Phenomenal. Wow. This is incredible. 3 of them. 4 of them. Right underneath the boat. Look at it. Right underneath. Phenomenal.